Welcome to English Echo.
Today, I want to tell you a small story about my morning. It's simple, but it teaches a lot of useful English words. So let's talk about what happened. This morning, I missed the bus. When we say missed the bus, it means the bus left before you got on it. You arrived too late. And yes, that is exactly what happened to me. I woke up a little late today. Not very late, but late enough to make things stressful. The moment I opened my eyes, I felt something was wrong. You know that feeling when you suddenly wake up and your brain says, "Wait, something is not right." That was me. I checked the time, and yes, I was supposed to be awake 30 minutes earlier. So I immediately got out of bed. Immediately means right away, without waiting. I rushed to the bathroom. Rushed means moved very fast because I didn't have time. I washed my face quickly, brushed my teeth fast, and grabbed my clothes. Grabbed means took something quickly with your hand. I didn't even have time to think about what I was wearing today. I just picked something and hoped it looked okay.
After getting dressed, I grabbed my bag and ran to the door. I didn't even eat breakfast. Usually, I eat something small in the morning, like bread or fruit, but today I didn't have time. I thought, maybe I'll buy something on the way. But things didn't go the way I planned. When I opened the door and stepped outside, I noticed the weather was a little cold. I could feel the cool air on my face. But still, I didn't care. I kept walking fast. Actually, I wasn't walking. I was almost running. I kept checking the time on my phone. Every second felt important. I knew the bus usually arrived at the same time every morning, and I felt like I was racing against the clock. When I reached the bus stop, something painful happened. I saw the bus. It was already there, but the doors were closing, and I thought, "No, please wait." I wanted to shout, but I didn't want to look crazy, so I just waved my hand a little. The driver didn't see me, and the bus started moving. That moment, it was the worst feeling. The feeling when you are so close, but not close enough. That feeling is called frustration, which means you are unhappy because something didn't go the way you wanted. I watched the bus drive away, slowly, like it was teasing me. I missed it by maybe 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds. I stood there for a moment, breathing heavily because I ran so much. I felt tired, annoyed, and hungry all at the same time.
After a minute, I sat down at the bus stop bench. Bench is a long seat, usually made of wood or metal, where people sit and wait. I took a deep breath. I tried to calm down. I told myself, "It's okay. It's not the end of the world." Sometimes small things feel big when we are stressed. Then I checked the bus schedule on my phone. Schedule means a plan of times, like when the bus comes. I saw that the next bus would arrive in 15 minutes. 15 minutes is not too bad, but when you are late, even 5 minutes feels long. While waiting, I noticed other people around me. Some were students, some were workers. Everyone looked tired. Maybe they also had difficult mornings. One student was eating something that smelled really good. I think it was a hot bun. I looked at it and remembered I still hadn't eaten anything. My stomach made a little noise. That noise is called a growl. When your stomach growls, it means you are hungry. I opened my bag and checked if I had anything to eat. Of course, I didn't. Nothing. Not even a small snack. I laughed a little at myself. Sometimes mornings are just like this, chaotic and messy. Chaotic means very disorganized, and messy means not neat, not smooth. While I waited, I started thinking about why I woke up late. Last night, I slept late because I was watching videos on my phone. I kept saying, just one more, but you know how it is. One more becomes two, then three, and suddenly it's midnight. So I realized part of this problem was my own choice. But I didn't want to blame myself too much. Everyone wakes up late sometimes. Finally, the next bus arrived. When I got on, I felt relieved. Relieved means you feel better after stress. I sat down, took a deep breath, and looked outside the window. The city looked busy as usual. Cars, people, shops, everything moving fast. I looked at the people on the bus. Some were sleeping, some were quietly scrolling on their phones, some were staring outside. Everyone had their own morning story. I thought about how missing the bus is annoying, but it's also normal. It happens to everyone at least once. At the end, I learned a small lesson, a simple one. Maybe I should sleep earlier. Maybe I should leave home a little earlier. Maybe I should prepare my things the night before. Small things can make a big difference in the morning. So yes, today I missed the bus, but I also learned something. And now I have a story to share with you. And I hope you learned some new words today, like rush, grab, schedule, frustration, chaotic, and relieved, naturally through this story.